Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Josephat Mutie. I'll be your facilitator for this course unit. Before I begin, I would like to take the roll call. Kate,
Present.
Marcus,
Present.
Naomi,
Present.
John,
Present.
Lucy.
Present.
I'm so excited to see that you are all present in class. So I'm looking forward. Let's dive in to what has brought us here. We are going to look at transport, engineering, one. Today it is which date? Date?
9.
So today, in this course unit, today we are going to learn about planning of transport system. System. So before we begin, I would like to ask you a question. What is this transport system? Have you ever been in a road and you have seen so much conjunction? Oh, before, by the end, by the end of the lesson, the learner should be able the learner should be able to outline various planning surveys. So, as I was asking, have you ever visited a road, or have you ever gone to a road and seen how many vehicles are there? Yeah. So, at many times we are coming from road when coming to school. So today we are going to do that. So as we begin, I would like one of you to define what is this road planning survey. A volunteer. What is this planning road survey? Okay, Marcus, tell us.
Yes. Planning survey is a systematic study conducted to collect information about traffic, road users, and travel behavior for transport planning and design.
Exactly. This is a systematic. This is a systematic study conducted to collect
information about traffic,
Let's keep there. So in a road, like let's assume this is our road, and this is one of your car. And this is another car. And Kate, I would like you to come and draw another car here so that you can understand what I want to say. Another car of your choice. Everyone will have the chance to draw a car here. Now, come draw another car. As we continue, as she's continuing drawing, just figure out, like in road, how many types of cars do you see? I know for men we know BMW, audio, but I believe you two, as for ladies, you also love type of cars. And Marcus, come draw your car, and you know why. Why are we doing what we are doing? Let's talk about, just think about your car. And this unit now, the planning of transport, the transport system, that is the reason where we are doing that. We will figure out why am I assisting you to draw a car. You see, come draw your car. Just a car. It can be a bus, it can be a van, it can be any kind of a car. It can be a lorry, any. Yeah. Exactly. So, just imagine, like we are just 5 and they are already in this car. They are outside, everyone has a car. How will be the road? The road will have something that we are calling traffic jam. Is that true? Like everyone has in a car. The road will have traffic jam. So let's go to know the purpose of why are we doing purpose of why we are doing the transport system. One, now, why are we doing this transport system?
For traffic volume survey.
Yeah, for traffic volume survey. Marcus?
To plan for future transport needs.
Yeah, to plan. It is used for planning. Kate?
To identify congestion.
Congestion. The reason why we are doing all this is to do these 3 purposes. So, as we are going to think about it, I want to leave something for you to go and do. Before we do that, there's some equipment I've shared with you in your soft copy. Tally counter, stopwatch, traffic counter sheets, and things like that you will use when doing this traffic system. Before I finish, I want to leave you an assignment. You go practice at home so that in my next lesson, we can come and do practicals. So explain 5 different types of learning. 5 different. Explain 5 different types of planning surveys used in transport system. 5 different types of traffic system used in transport engineering. So, as I wind up, I would like to ask the class, before we conclude, how does the road start? Like, how do we come to this point? What are the surveys that we do so that we come up with the road, and then afterwards the vehicles benefit from the road that we have constructed? I will start by myself. The first thing that we do before the traffic on the roadside, we do something called surveying. We survey the area where we want to construct the road. After surveying, there is so many sections that we do. It is called preliminary, and then up to we do the actual survey. And then after that, we do something that we call construction. Is that true?
Yes.
After surveying, we do what we call construction. After we have constructed, then is when we let it cure, and then afterwards it is able to be used. So it's able to use. In short, what I want to conclude with is that I will tell you, every good road starts with a good survey. Accurate data today builds safer roads tomorrow. Thank you for participating. So I'm looking forward to meeting you in my next lesson. Have a great day. And this assignment, before I forget, I want it before my next lesson. So my next lesson will be on Wednesday, so I want it by either Tuesday at around 4 p.m. That is it. Let's see each other in the next lesson.